United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 210, Pollution by Dumping, 1. States shall adopt laws and regulations to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment by dumping. 2. States shall take other measures as may be necessary to prevent, reduce and control such pollution. 3. Such laws, regulations and measures shall ensure that dumping is not carried out without the permission of the competent authorities of states. 4. States, acting especially through competent international organizations or diplomatic conference, shall endeavor to establish global and regional rules, standards and recommended practices and procedures to prevent, reduce and control such pollution. Such rules, standards and recommended practices and procedures shall be re-examined from time to time as necessary. 5. Dumping within the territorial sea and the exclusive economic zone, or onto the continental shelf, shall not be carried out without the express prior approval of the coastal state, which has the right to permit, regulate and control such dumping after due consideration of the matter with other states, which by reason of their geographical situation may be adversely affected thereby. 6. National laws, regulations and measures shall be no less effective in preventing, reducing and controlling such pollution than the global rules and standards.